princesses and princes. I am doing a vlog right now in the rain. It is pouring, and that's the only reason I have an umbrella is because I want to vlog with my phone, but my phone is not waterproof, and you know, kind of need a phone to vlog. But it is pouring rain right now, so there's that. I don't know what my dad is saying right now. I don't know. Oh god, I really hope my phone doesn't get wet. You guys have a different perspective right now.
Hey guys, I'm outside of the umbrella, so like I'm just trying to keep my eyes open while not getting rain in my eyes.
Put up your hood.
Okay.
Open the hood. Open the hood.
Wonderful. This is much better.
The only reason I'm under umbrella is because I have my phone with me, and I could go out from under it, but then you guys couldn't hear me.
Yeah.
And I kind of need you guys to hear me.
Our cat.
So anyway guys, what's up? You already know what I'm up to. Vlogging in the rain. Because I like rain, okay?
Wow, if you sit right here, no rain.
I doubt that. Hey guys.
My jacket is soaking wet, and Jules probably wondering where I am.
You can go inside if you want.
Nah.
Look, Carly. Look,
Pretty out here.
poke your head under.
Oh, Chloe, we need to shut our window.
Oh my god, I need to shut my window. Let's go. Just shut my window. Gotta go shut that.
I'll go inside and talk to Jules for a bit.
Gotta go shut my window. Oh my god.
Otherwise our dolls will get wet.
Gotta shut the door.
This closet over.
Say hi.
The cat will go in there. Howdy.
That's my dad. Say hi.
Hi, who is it?
Well, I'm vlogging.
Oh, hi. Hi. I'm the princess's mom.
Just walked in from the rain. Gotta go shut my window. Shut my window.
Okay.
Right. Shut the window. Oh, my gloves are all wet now. Alright, let me go find an umbrella and a cat.
Hey, Chloe.
Oh, cute. Alright guys, let's see if we can't find an umbrella and head back out. Also, I just unintentionally gave you guys a tour of my house. Oh, my poor kitty. My poor wet kitty who's getting me all wet. Oh, Uzo. You're so cute. Aww. I love you. it's certainly raining, which is shocking for Southern California weather. You know, it doesn't really rain here, but it's raining right now, so kind of nice. I don't know if you guys know this, but it's really hard to balance a phone under an umbrella while also keeping the umbrella over your head so then you guys can hear me, like, at all. So... oh, my poor kitty's still there. Ah! Okay. I'm just standing on my front porch right now. Oh, Woozle. He's camera shy. Well, I've gotta go, but until next time, goodbye, little princes and princes.